Hi, today we will learn how to create a report from scratch. I have a bunch of employees with tasks assigned to them which are to be done at a given frequency. I will load ETL tasks. Click on next, select the relevant database you wish to connect to. Click on the SQL button here. Now I've already created a view which does the needful. I'll bring all of these items inside. Click on next. I want all the records to be shown in the report. Do I wish to do any grouping? Yes, by employee ID. Tabular is fine. Okay. Now here, click on this button and select on the relevant database. For me it is TrainDB. Save this, and if you will preview it, all of the reports, now this is not the way we want it, but everything is already here. Okay, let's just make this proper. Now I want the first name to also come in the part of a group. Let's break it all up. Okay, now let's check the report. So see, the name of the employee has come on top. Let's say I do not wish to see their email addresses. Their designation is also come up. Their role is also come up. Okay. Now task, definitely I wish them to come here, and I wish to give it a lot more space. The frequency with which they would be done. Task ID is not what I wish to showcase. Okay, so let's just remove, make changes in the header as well. Okay, let's drag our name. Make save, preview. There we are. Okay. Now let's make it better. By the whole task are not being showing here, correct? So let's just bring that as up in the second video.